Students in class 10th. Today I will teach you a 6 bases and salts. And topics are salts and types of acids and types of acids. First of all, you should know what is acid. Acid is that compound which has replaceable hydrogen. This hydrogen can be replaced by a metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. Examples of acids are sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, lactic acid, tartaric acid, etc. Now I will tell you types of acids on the basis of sources. On the basis of sources, acids are of two types, organic acids and mineral acids. Those acids which are obtained by plants and animals are called organic acids. Examples of organic acids are lactic acid. Lactic acid is present in curd, which is obtained by animal. Tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is found in tamarind, which is obtained by plants. Now I will tell you mineral acids. Those acids which are obtained by the factory. These acids are also known as man-made acids, and these are also known as laboratory acids because they are used in science laboratory. Examples of mineral acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acids. Now, types of basic acids on the basis of concentration. On the basis of concentration, there are two types of acids, concentrated acids and dilute acids. First, concentrated acids. The acids which has maximum amount of acid is called concentrated acids. And dilute acids, the acids which have maximum possible amount of water is called dilute acids. Now, types of acids on the basis of strength. On the basis of strength, acids are of two types, strong acids and weak acids. Mineral acids are called strong acids. Examples of strong acids are sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acids. Now, weak acids. Organic acids are called weak acids. Examples of organic acids are lactic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid, acetic acid, etc. Students, now I will tell you chemical properties of acids. There are following chemical properties of acids. Number 1, reaction with metal. Acid reacts with metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. This is clear from the given example. Example is Zn plus H2SO4, arrowhead ZnSO4 plus H2. Na plus HCl, arrowhead NaCl plus H2. Now, chemical properties 2. Reaction with metal carbonate. Acid reacts with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate to form carbon dioxide gas. This is clear from the example Na2CO3 plus HCl, arrowhead NaCl plus H2O plus CO. Now third property, reaction with base. Acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Example is HCl plus NaOH, NaCl plus H2. In this reaction, HCl is hydrochloric acid, NaOH is sodium hydroxide, which is a base, and NaCl is salt, and H2O is water.